Why does your scanner show the P0752 engine code? What does it mean? P0752 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid A stuck on. This engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM has detected an issue with Shift Solenoid A in the vehicle's automatic transmission. This code means the computer thinks the solenoid isn't functioning as it should, possibly stuck in the on position, preventing the transmission from shifting correctly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Shift solenoid, a failure. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Wiring issues. Transmission control module problems. Restricted hydraulic passages. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevy Traverse, Saturn Vue, and Buick Enclave. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.